Hello guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Circuits Bazaar. So today we are going to discuss the project solar panel based automatic traffic light system. So in this project we are going to use this solar panel. So this is the solar panel which will generate electricity after getting solar light. So this current or voltage is fed to this circuit. This is the battery charger circuit, and the main component in this battery charger circuit is LM317. So this LM317 will charge the battery, and it's actually a current controller as well. So the voltage which will feed from solar panel will come to this circuit, and this is the indicator. If you will remove, like this is the battery removal, but still this LED is glowing. Why? Because there is a solar light, and if you will increase the intensity of solar light on the solar panel, then the intensity of this light will also increase, and you can see the difference, right? And if you will increase more light, so you can clearly see the difference over here. And this is the resistor. This resistor is for this LED, because as you know that this voltage generated by this solar panel is nearly 9 volt, 9 to 11 volt. So you have to use the resistor to protect the LED, and this is the diode which will provide only DC current in this direction. And this is the actually solar panel also generate DC voltage, but there are some fluctuations. So those fluctuations will be bypassed by this, will be blocked by this diode. And this is LM317 voltage regulator, and this is the potentiometer. Through this potentiometer you can set the voltage over here if you want to increase and decrease the voltage. For example, if you have solar panel of very large capacity which can generate voltage up to 17 volt or up to 24 volt, even then you can use the solar panel charger circuit, because this is the potentiometer. This potentiometer will set the output voltage, and this is the point where you will apply your battery. And this is the diode. Again, this diode you can use Schottky diode as well over here to generate very small amount of voltage drop. And this is the voltage divider configuration. This voltage divider configuration is used to set the voltage at this LM317 IC. On this point you will apply battery, and this is the jack. This jack will go to this traffic light system. This is the main output system. This is using 8051 microcontroller. This 8051 microcontroller is actually mind of this project, which will generate particular time delay to on and off these traffic light. So these are the 4 traffic light for this direction. As you know that traffic light are always in right direction. So for this direction these are the traffic light, for this direction these are the traffic light, for this direction these are the traffic light, and for this one these one, right? As you know that the current generated by microcontroller is very small, so that's why you have to use transistor as amplifier over here. So these are the 3 transistor, for 3 LED 3 transistor, right? And there are 6 resistor over here, each resistor for each LED and transistor to provide the proper biasing. So you need a resistor at the base of transistor, and the number of transistor over here is BC547, and LED is of 5 mm, right? As you know that LED is getting 5 volt, but you can't drive LED directly using 5 volt. You have to use resistor. So these are the small resistor on these LED. These LED will glow at nearly 2.5 volt. Rest of the voltage will be drawn by this resistor. Okay, and like this configuration, all other 3 configuration are same. And this is 7805 voltage regulator. We use 7805 voltage regulator to convert 12 volt. This is 6 volt into 5 volt, because microcontroller is working on 5 volt, right? And this is the capacitor, just to if there is any fluctuation, to bypass that fluctuations. And through this jack we can apply power supply to this point. This is the power LED. This will show you have given power to your circuit. And for these 3 LED, signal is coming from here. For these 3 from here, means there are 2 port on 8051 microcontroller which we are using, P3 port and P2 port. From P2 port we have used 6 pin, and from P3 port again we have used 6 pin, right? Now this light and this light is red, means vehicle from this side and this side can go in any direction. Now yellow LED will show like time is about to elapse, and the LED is going to be shift on another, right? So this is working at the same time. 2 direction I have on, so that 2 direction vehicle can go. So there is like some round object, so all the vehicle can pass properly, right? And this is all about this project. If you have any doubt, you can ask the question in the comment box. And now you can see the working of this project. Thank you very much.